police in their investigations. We again told them we have a right to remain silent and not to do anything that may be perceived as if we're incriminating ourselves. So that's a frustration we have suffered today. No statement has been taken from us. Nobody has told us where we are here. We have just spent a whole day seated and warming the DCI seats. May I allow Mr. Manzo, my senior, to end. So today we were invited again to the DCI. We are joined by a senior counsel, Manzo, Senator for Makueni. He'll be weighing in. But again, even when we came here today, we reported here at 7 o'clock as directed by the office in Nyeri. We have spent the whole day waiting for a decision to go home. So we've spent the whole day waiting for them to come and tell us, go home. Again, when we came here, they sought to interrogate us, and we told them that our position is as it was in Nyeri, that we are electing to remain silent, and that we are victims and not aggressors, and that if they were candid with what they are doing, they should go and look for the aggressors, because the aggressors are known. So we declined to cooperate with them on the basis that, again, we are not obliged whatsoever to assist the police in their investigations. We again told them we have a right to remain silent and not to do anything that may be perceived as if we're incriminating ourselves. So that's a frustration we have suffered today. No statement has been taken from us. Nobody has told us where we are here. We have just spent a whole day seated and warming the DCI seats. May I allow Mr. Manzo, my senior, to weigh in?
Yes, thank you. Let me say that the day has been busy, and it has been an exercise in futility. First and foremost, if you are a suspect, then you must be informed what you are being charged with, and then you have options at Article 49 and 50, and you have rights as an accused person. But unfortunately, the people who have been victimized are the ones who are supposed to be investigated, instead of the people who caused problems. And I want to say what happened in Limuru is a very serious security matter, and the security agencies in this country must take it seriously. Some people have been mobilized. They have taken it upon themselves to disrupt social functions. Kenyans are scared of the Subarus without number plates and with hooded persons. We want to know who those people are, because the DCI today has assured us that those people are not in their department. We want to know which department of government they come from and why they are harassing innocent Kenyans. Why are they kidnapping people, abducting people? Some people have been abducted, have never been seen up to today. Really, we want to get to the bottom of this. And as members of parliament, we are going to summon the acting Minister for Interior and for Internal Security, so that he can explain, while we wait for a new minister, he can explain why are there abductions and arrests, and also unconstitutional, and something which doesn't follow the law at all, extrajudicial activities in the country, so that Kenyans can know how to improve our security and make sure that everything is free, is not afraid of abduction, is express themselves and look forward to a better Kenya. So we are waiting. The last word from DCI today was they will summon our clients anytime. So when they summon, we are going to obey the summon, and we are willing to assist wherever we are able to, without incriminating ourselves and without people getting harassed unnecessarily. Let them find who was bringing down the tents where former Deputy President Gachagua was seated. We want those hooded, masked people to be arrested and face the law.
Mr. Mabea has...
Just a question for Kenya. Okay. My name is William from TV47. A quick one. Talking of Senator from Jammu and also member of parliament from the former MP, were they appearing before DCI to offer information on what happened at the burial or as suspects?
They had been called as suspects, and they were told that in fact they are the ones who caused damages to themselves. They are the ones who attempted to murder themselves. Ridiculous charges. I am very sure the government knows and has an idea. The people who disrupted the funeral and the people who injured quite a number of people, destroyed a lot of seats, destroyed property belonging to that family, which was bereaved. Those criminals are known and should be brought to book. And the government knows very well. The member of parliament, the senator for Kiambu and the former member of parliament for Limuru are mere victims. For the first time in Kenya, we have seen a victim be victimized further and be accused of victimizing himself.
But yesterday when we were called at the DCI, the summons that we received on Thursday evening, they indicated that we were going to give information. They suspected we were holding information that might be useful in their investigations. We wrote a letter to them informing them that we have no information, that your guess is wrong. We do not possess or hold any information that may be useful. So yesterday, again, we followed up those summons in anticipation that we are only going to perhaps shed light as invited, again, electing to remain silent. But when we were leaving Nyeri yesterday, the statement, the statement on cautionary statement that was given to us, we were being labeled as suspects, that we are being suspected of malicious damage, suspected of giving false information. That is to say, when our client, member of parliament for Limuru, says that I was abducted, they are saying he's giving false information. So they want to charge him for that. They are charging us for malicious damage. It is our vehicles that were destroyed. It's our vehicles that were damaged. So we are now suspects. They had even suspected, placed suspicious charges of attempted murder. That is to say, we are attempting to murder ourselves. That's the ridiculous aspect of this whole process. Mr. Mabea will address you, then we shall invite the members of parliament.
Yes, just a few. I wish to indicate that yesterday, actually, the High Court issued orders of anticipatory bail, restraining the police officers from arresting our clients. So the investigative authorities are quite aware of the existence of such orders, and we wish to state that the manner in which they have been detained an entire day at the DCI headquarters, and yesterday they were also detained in Nyeri, the same is akin to trying to circumvent the said orders. So we'll be moving back to court to file a contempt of court against the DCI, in which it is our claim that it is illegal to just arrest our clients when they have orders. That is all. Thank you.
Thank you.